Posted by Englewood. By order of City Manager of Englewood, Colorado, this area has been declared a public nuisance under the Title 15 of Englewood Municipal Code.
I told you about this earlier in the newscast. We've been tracking it for weeks, but today was the day. 2 cities began removing homeless encampments. They say it's for public health and safety reasons. This is the city of Englewood, and another local agency began removing a homeless encampment along the banks of the South Platte River. Aurora was the other one today. This one is located near West Dartmouth Avenue and South Platte River Drive. The city says somewhere between 50 and 75 people are being removed from that area.
Now to the east in Aurora, a similar eviction. The city began removing a homeless encampment in the area of Interstate 70 and Airport Boulevard. 9 News reporter Lori Lizarraga is live near that encampment this afternoon. And Lori, the big question about this, of course, are not the cleanups, but also where do these people go now?
Exactly, Ryan and Kim. That is a big question that doesn't have a simple answer. I mean, take this spot, for example. You wouldn't know it to look at it now, and because it's empty, but earlier it was a homeless camp. And just because there isn't a homeless community right here, right now, it doesn't mean they're not somewhere. Some woman that we spoke to today that used to live here said if she can't be here at this encampment, then she'll just roam.
This is going to take us all day to clean up. We've been here since roughly about 8:30 this morning.
In Aurora, at the cross of I-70 and Airport Boulevard.
There's mice, there's needles. We got to watch out for human waste and stuff like that.
A big job for cleanup crews after sweeping out another homeless camp.
We was here last year.
Doing the same exact thing?
Same thing. Picking up the trash.
For these crews, it's hard work and 2 truckloads of trash.
A piece of me I may never get back.
For those who lived here, that trash was all they had.
Home is where you love yourself for who you are, and I do. Here, I found it.
Sarah Ann lived at this encampment for 3 years, but it's on private property that belongs to DIA. After getting complaints, the city of Aurora was told to clean it out.
Some go back home where they were born, some go back to friends, family, things of that such. A lot go to the Aurora Day Resource Center.
A sweep like this isn't cheap for anyone.
Both sides probably going to be close to $4 grand, I'm figuring.
It'll cost the city thousands.
I love those trees and I love that hill.
While this homeless community is left to look for a new place to land.
A couple months they'll be like, nope, you guys got to leave, and we'll go in and clean that up. They'll move somewhere else.
There's not a better way?
Haven't found one yet.
For everyone, it's a vicious, seemingly unsolvable cycle that no one has figured out.
I have what's most important right here and right here. And I have my few little trinkets.
The city says its homelessness program was at this homelessness encampment twice a week, every week since March, offering them resources, establishing relationships, and just getting to know this homeless community. They said they gave them weeks of advance notice of this sweep, and they offered them those options, but of course they can't force them to use them. So what this community chooses to do now is up to them. They just can't be here.